common food safety hazards in the baking industry. The baking industry is susceptible to various food safety hazards that can contaminate products and pose health risks to consumers. Here are some common food safety hazards in the baking industry. Biological hazards. Salmonella can contaminate ingredients like pigs, flour, and sugar. Listeria can grow on equipment, utensils, and in ingredients like dairy products. E. coli can contaminate ingredients like flour, sugar, and cocoa powder. Chemical hazards. Allergens, ingredients like peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, soy, and wheat can cause allergic reactions. Residues, chemical residues from pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides can contaminate ingredients. Cleaning chemicals, improper use of cleaning chemicals can leave residues on equipment and utensils. Physical hazards. Foreign objects, objects like metal, glass, or wood can contaminate products during processing. Dust and debris from ingredients, equipment, and the environment can contaminate products. Controls and preventive measures. Good manufacturing practices, GMPs. Hazard analysis and critical control points, HACCP. Allergen control, pest control, and temperature control. Cleaning and sanitation. Training and education, etc. For more updates, download the Food Safety Standard mobile application. Thank you.